Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to discuss why your niche matters in your affiliate marketing business and your online business in general. This is a crucial topic that can make or break your success online. So let's dive right in. And guys, at any time of this video, if you would like to discover my favorite strategy that which helped me quit the full-time job, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered and watch the free masterclass. And also, if in case you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth $2,500 for absolutely free. Now let's get started with today's video. The reality is that you need to enjoy in what you do. Far too often, I see people chasing niche directions based on what they feel in a trendy niche or an opportunity. But in all reality, that is not the surest path to success in a particular business. The path to success within the online world is much more about the passion that you can instill in your business. There are 5.5 billion people online, and this number only continues to grow. There are so many different sources of traffic now, and it's quite distributed. So when you try to head into a trendy niche, you're not going to be able to sustain it for a long time because you won't share the passion in that niche with your audience. So how do you choose the right niche is the question. My recommendation is, if you're just starting out, is to choose a niche direction that you are passionate about and interested in. Okay, oftentimes a hobby can work out really well. For example, if you love gardening, you can start an affiliate marketing based around gardening tools, seeds and equipment. Your passion for gardening will shine through in your content and your audience will feel that connection. As you scale and grow on and get the formula for success down, you can expand into many different niches. For example, after mastering your gardening niche, you might want to explore related areas like sustainable living or home improvement. We all likely have many different passion or projects that we would want to take on within the online world, and that can happen over time. But when you are decided on a niche, make sure you're not choosing based on something you think in trending or something someone told you is a good niche. Okay, choose something that you're interested in, something you're passionate about, something you can communicate with people about, and something you enjoy helping others within. This way you can create a long-term and very successful business. And I hope you enjoyed this message and that you are following this advice in your online venture. And I'd love your feedback on this particular topic. Jump down in the comments below and let me know what you think. Are you in a niche that you are passionate about? Have you tried to head into niche directions in the past that you may not have been so passionate about and ran into difficulty? Share your experience, feedback and comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. And guys, just to let you know, my name is Mahesh from Collabik and I earn a full-time income online through digital affiliate marketing. Also, if you want to discover my #1 system for generating a realistic income online right now, then click the link below in the video description and get registered and watch my free masterclass. It's a complete done for you system and a really excellent way to get going with traffic generation and earning consistent commissions. And as a special bonus, I'm offering a $2,500 bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle. In this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing course, valuable resources, and the opportunity to network with like-minded individuals. So there are limited spots left. So please take action. And action takers are money makers. So for more information, you can please visit the second link in the description. Have an awesome week, guys, and we'll be in touch soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and advice on building your online business. See you next time. Have a great day.